Like they've done studies on Girl Scout cookies where they
Oh,
break
Girl
them down and
Scout
find out
cookies.
what's in them. Oh, holy shit. They're fucking toxic as fuck. Thin Mints being the worst offenders. 5 flavors of Girl Scout cookies contained, scroll up, back up, contained levels of glyphosate and heavy metals above EPA water safety limits. New investigation found 100% of tested Girl Scout cookies contained glyphosate, 100%. Controversial herbicide and Roundup. 88% contained toxic metals like arsenic, lead, and mercury. Key finding: Thin Mints had the highest glyphosate levels at 111.07 ppb, 334 times what experts say is harmful. Peanut butter patties had the highest heavy metal contamination, with lead reaching 42.5 ppb and aluminum at 27,500 ppb, ppm. 76% of cookies tested exceeded cadmium safety limits, and 96 contained lead.
That's wild.
Toxic Girl Scout cookies? Researchers with GMOscience.org say yes, they contain ingredients linked to autism and cancer. They tested the cookies for the presence of aluminum, arsenic, lead, and mercury. 88% of the samples contained all of these. Every cookie tested contained the active ingredient in the weed killer Roundup, and 96% contained lead. The Girl Scouts say in a statement their cookies are produced by trusted licensed bakers who adhere to rigorous standards set by the FDA and other agencies. Be sure to download Fox Local for live streaming news and more.
Girl Scout cookies were tested for heavy metals and glyphosate, and the results were extremely concerning. Out of the 13 different kinds of Girl Scout cookies that were tested, 100% of them tested positive for glyphosate, and 100% of them also had high levels of metals like aluminum, arsenic, cadmium, lead, and mercury. As if the ingredients in Girl Scout cookies weren't already bad enough.
25 cookies from California, Iowa, and Louisiana. 100% of them contained at least 4 of these 5 heavy and toxic metals. We are talking about aluminum, arsenic, cadmium, lead, and mercury. Also tested positive for very high levels of glyphosate.
Let's get serious for a second. Girl Scout cookies are apparently killing people.
Toxic Girl Scout cookies? Researchers with GMOscience.org say yes, they contain ingredients linked to autism and cancer. They tested the cookies for the presence of aluminum, arsenic, lead, and mercury. 88% of the samples contained all of these. Every cookie tested contained the active ingredient in the weed killer Roundup, and 96% contained lead. The Girl Scouts say in a statement